Good morning, everyone. Good morning, Larry. Morning, pretzels. All right, today's lab, I'm going to walk you through how to work it. So, go to Classroom, open up the lab, click on Desktop. I would suggest choosing English and not any of these other languages. Okay, so you'll see you have an accelerator, acceleration, and initial speed. And you can change anything that has an arrow. For example, you can turn the acceleration down all the way to 0 and up again. You can change the speed down and up. You can push on the accelerator and make the car go. So you see it took 5.2 seconds, 2.6 meters per second squared for the acceleration. The initial speed here is 12 meters a second. The car went about 95 meters and it reached a speed of like just over 25 meters a second. And then you can hit this button to reset back to 0. Now, for the lab, if you open up this slideshow, doc, scroll down, and this first table is the most complicated, but first instruction here is to set the initial speed on the lowest non-zero speed. So let's do that real quick. The initial speed's down here. So my lowest non-zero speed is 4. Set the first acceleration at the lowest non-zero setting, 1.1 or so. Okay, here's the acceleration. 1. And then you can write those numbers in here. The initial speed I had was 4 meters a second. The acceleration is 1. And then you can see all that's left is the final speed and the time. And the distance is already filled out for us. So that means we're going to go 80 meters with these settings. So back to the lab. And you'll have to watch these distances and just get the car as close as you can. So now I'm going to go to the accelerator, pushing the accelerator. Watch that car. Starts like my car. Boom. And there it is. It took 9.5 seconds and it went a little over 13 meters a second. So 9.5 and 13. Go back, write those in. Final speed was 13. The time was 9.5. And again, this is the hardest table. If you can make it through this table, the rest of them are easy. Good luck. Bye, Larry.